Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the connection. Have your Wi-Fi password or an Ethernet cable ready, then restart the router and the PS4 to clear transient glitches. Once done, go directly to Settings, choose Network, and select Set up Internet Connection. Pick LAN if wired or Wi-Fi, then choose Custom. This forces you into the manual configuration flow where DNS can be changed. You do this because automatic DNS sometimes routes incorrectly, and a manual entry is the only reliable fix. You now reach the crucial form fields. Leave IP settings on automatic so the router assigns the IP, and set DHCP hostname to do not specify to avoid conflicts. For DNS settings, choose manual. Enter a reliable primary DNS such as 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1, and a secondary like 8, 8, 4, 4 or 1, 0, 0, 1. Make sure MTU stays automatic and proxy server is do not use. These keep routing and packet handling standard and prevent extra failures. You finish by saving settings and running test internet connection to confirm successful DNS resolution and acceptable NAT type. You want to pass DNS and good ping. If tests fail, immediately power cycle the router and PS4, re-enter DNS digits carefully, and try an alternate DNS provider. Different resolvers can bypass upstream issues. If problems persist, use Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi interference or perform a router factory reset as a last resort. That often clears stubborn DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.